Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to cook filet mignon in an air fryer. First, let's get our steaks ready. Pat your filet mignon dry with paper towels. This helps achieve a beautiful crust. Then, season them generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any other seasonings you love. While you're doing that, preheat your air fryer to a precise 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for optimal cooking. Now, let's get cooking. Carefully place your seasoned filet mignon into the air fryer basket, making sure they are in a single layer to allow for even cooking. Cook them for about 6 to 8 minutes for a perfect medium rare, remembering to flip them over halfway through the cooking time. For accuracy, aim for an internal temperature of 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit using a reliable meat thermometer. The cooking is almost done, but this next step is crucial for a juicy steak. Once your filet mignon reaches the desired doneness, carefully remove them from the air fryer and place them on a cutting board. Tent them loosely with aluminum foil and let them rest for a good 5 to 10 minutes. This resting period is essential as it allows all those delicious juices to redistribute throughout the meat, guaranteeing a tender and incredibly flavorful bite. Finally, it's time to enjoy your perfectly cooked filet mignon. For the most tender experience, slice your steak against the grain into thick, succulent pieces. Serve them immediately alongside your favorite accompaniments, perhaps some roasted asparagus, creamy mashed potatoes, or a crisp green salad. A sprinkle of fresh herbs or a small dollop of compound butter can elevate the flavors even further. Enjoy your gourmet meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.